Alright guys, Son here from Rockstar Funnel Builders. In today's video, we're going to discuss how and where you can start building your funnel. Okay, we are here in the funnel sections. As you can see, there are a lot of funnel groups here. In each group, there are different kinds of funnel that we already built. For us to start today building a new funnel, let's go here and add new. As you can see here, before building a funnel, there are two choices that you can do. You can start using the cookbook, or you can just customize your full funnel depending on the steps that you actually want. But for starters that are still learning using this system, we suggest using the cookbook so you can have an idea on what proper steps that you needed in building your funnel. So when you build the cookbook here, there's actually an automatic tag or a group that you will have starting to build using cookbook. It's right over here, or if you have that much of a group here in your funnel, just automatically see a cookbook there. So let's start to build our cookbook. Here you go. This is the dashboard for the cookbook. If you want to learn more of the guide on how to touch or how to select the proper cookbook here, you can download it over here. I already downloaded this again here. Actually, this is not the actual board. So let's go back here. When you click this, just enter your email. Then you can download it automatically. Then it will send out to your email. But when you already have this one and send out to your email, you can actually download it directly here, and it will automatically pop up ebook here. So that's for the whole details for each of the book, how you can touch it, how you can modify it. So let's go back here. Here in the book, you can actually see different kinds of funnel that has already built in. When you select one of these funnel, there are actually automatically steps that actually built here, steps or pages, what we call in Clickfunnels. Each of funnels here are for different kind of purposes. If you want to gather some leads, you can find here. There's actually one that can generate you leads here. Let's find it. Okay, here. This is one way to gather leads if you want to give them a free ebook or something free in exchange of their emails. One is this one. You can also use this as your lead generation funnel. There are a lot of templates here actually that you can use from e-commerce, from basic e-commerce website, e-commerce funnel I should say, survey funnel, homepage funnel, auto webinar, and webinar funnel. They're all here. You can just explore each one of this funnel, how they work, so you can have an idea on how you can build your first ever funnel if you want to customize it according to what you want or according to your campaign or your strategy. So all of these are all built-in funnels and built-in steps actually. So also here in the right side section, you can actually choose what industry you are or what industry your clients have. So you can select each here, then select a type of funnel that your client or you want to build first. So if you select a professional service or speaker or consultant, it will automatically change over here in your left side or your center of your monitor. Actually, it will automatically change each of these automatically depending on you. So if the type of funnel you want only is for a generate leads or lead generation, there you go. It will automatically change and give you funnels that are right. And if you want to gather some of their information, you can just select over here and it will automatically change also. If you want to sell a product over here, there, automatically change. So if you want that, then this one. So you can just explore this on your funnel account. So just try it out soon. So first things first is let's select a template or a funnel here so you can see what's inside. So first thing, the most common one is lead generation funnel. So selecting the squeeze page is the best one for us. So select the squeeze page. As you can see, there are two pages actually built here. So the page here. Then you can choose a design template here, which are free. But if you want to purchase some, here are the choices. Or you can go to the funnel marketplace. So let's first select the most common basic free template. Well, these templates are all design pages. So if you select one, it will automatically update your funnel and its design. So let's select this one and get this funnel. There you go. These are the basic 2 steps for a squeeze page funnel. If you want to generate leads, you can also use this one. So there you go. You can see, if you want to see it live, just click here or here, but we recommend always this one, because if you view here and in here, it's actually changing its URL page, so it's not actually that live. This one, this is actually the live link when you connect a domain here. So we best recommend using this one so you can see it in live. So here's the template that we choose. It's actually a basic one, just for gathering leads, giving them insights to your service or your business. If you click the button, it will automatically have a pop-up there. You can modify this when you edit the full page here. So that's for the cookbook. So you can see where it's headed or it was saved. You can go to settings there. You can search for the group tag of the cookbook. So let's go over there. Let's go to the funnels and let's see where it's in. Oh, here in the cookbook. As you can see, this one is what we have made a while ago. As you can see, there are different icons also here. This icon represents what you have built. So if it's a squeeze page, it will be like this, but if it's on auto webinar, it will be like this, depending on what funnel template that you have chose from the cookbook. It will change accordingly here. There. Now that's for the cookbook. Now let's go create a custom or a classic funnel builder. Sometimes we call this a custom builder because you can actually choose, or you can create your own funnel steps here. There, name your funnel Sun Test Funnel. Now you can select a group tag actually here. There are a lot of group tags here, but I would like to point it out to the funnel practice group tags, because this is the place where we usually play the designs of funnels that we are like doing or experiment some things. So let's build it. There. This is the most basic step when you create a custom built funnel. From there, you can actually delete this, and if you want to create a new one or add a new one, just go here in the add new step and name it again. I'd like it to be a lead magnet. There, it's a lead magnet. Then you can choose what specific kind of page you want this step. If you want to an email opt-in, you can choose that. If you want to thank you, you can actually choose that, and it will automatically change the templates here. These are design templates, or what we call design pages here. You can select each one of these because these are all free that is in your system. But what we want now is a lead magnet. So we'll go to email opt-in, then select a specific template that we can use here. I think we need to select a much simpler one, right? This one. So select the template there. Already selected one. If you want to see it on live, you can just click here and it will automatically reveal the whole design page. So let's close it out again and let's create a thank you page. Thank you page. So create. Then let's go to thank you and select another template that you want to use. So Actually, you can use anything here. Now let's test this out. If you want them just to gather, if you want only to gather leads, we suggest using squeeze page. So let's test it out. Click it there, submit, then boom, yes, goes to our thank you page. So that's how you build your first ever funnel. If you want only to have a lead generation funnel, we recommend only 2 steps. That's your only purpose. Okay, so another thing, if you want first to view a design template first, what we want to do is, okay, create a new step. There, as you can see, there's a preview over there. You can click that and it will show you in another tab the design for the template. Okay, you can just view everything here. Okay, so that's all for today, and just keep watching our videos from our YouTube channel, from our social media accounts, as we go in depth for the different kinds of how to work on this Clickfunnels to help you more and to give you an idea how to work on this one. See you in the next video.